Very clear ne yamna very clear hai bese everybody is afraid of cookie. Cookie se loi ki khreba. Ki derbadi dum chalo cookie ki jaga da dum mari leina da ba passer ani aduga mi oi mari ju cham jar so dum hostess thamaga dum har khredana kanano any nagas asom gi jojang tek disu dolang khono de gi chiru ma kari ta leita ba dum har khreba ado taradi cookie ki da ba naga kana lege ba hojik eina hangjaning ba question se adumain to duna maitei su chat pa ngamdre hojik sekmai su normal people na kan ba ngamdre maitei are also afraid of this cookie gi kaino gi terrorism cookie gi extremism ki pot se ki hreba. On the other hand, Aishu THADOU ne or chap manaba ozami bon khon na suai THADOU su cookie phira kanda THADOU phangani THADOU thira kanda cookie phangani hayeba yai adu on the other hand muka yingseba Aishu hokip oiba taraba su cookie ne hairaga aina chochampur da chatlaga kampopi da chatlaga Aishu lim na tharoiba egi yum su omak 3 times attack to kreba haibadi hojik sigi marak si sida Aishu kire THADOU sing su loi kire THADOU su kireba maitei ne su kire THADOU ne su kire adu kaino ne su loi kire ba doi taradi akoina khatnaba cookie se karino haiba se akoi thido kansida it's an ideology idea amadune ba kari ideology violent terrorism oiba they are just like jihadist gumba ki type ideology amaduga khatna khibane ba adugi adugumba kiri ba midune ba hojik se akoina kiri se adug mind to duna the people of Manipur na kiri ba se cookie ki ideology se ki ba whereas on the other hand Manipur sarkar na muka hojik to hiba pod se yeng taradi cookie ki appeasement policy da muka chatle ba Manipur sarkar central sarkar se maramdi akoina khwaidi ki ba se Manipur sarkar na adum in touch da adum leinei ba adudi sarkar na hojik yok pa se cookie supremacist ngakte ba cookie ga khoi wari sanei cookie ga phaunei cookie ga sitowi haina government of India ga government of Manipur na claim adum to wedana adu cookie du fazana control to bio let them release the hostages let them release let them not attack any civilians haiba laiba hojik si da so now hojik ideology ga khatna ru rabani na ideology se yamna sathi oigraba violent terrorism activities phau yograba ideology ga khatna rabani na hojik se we need to understand si cookie to riba pot se adoi taradi amuka break up to se ba cookie si se da cookie in pi Manipur na shut down lau tho e cookie in pi na kyamak to roba taraba su reality the ground reality to la tardi chorachampur na cookie in pi Manipur ki wa in de ba shut down leite ba mo gi stronghold da more da shut down leite ba adumain to duna Jiribam da Chandel da Tenopal da shut down mata leite ba shut down se cycle da su leite ba shut down is effective only in this Kampo Pig stretch ne ba so the so called cookie in P Manipur gi shut down se how far it is effective shut down to ba Manipur sarkar da yawi meite ga separate oira matungda Manipur sarkar ga separation oira matungda noi amuka Manipur sarkar da yawi haina boycott to giba mi do at this critical juncture sida hando e ba cookie zo council si sina jo champur base ta gi amuka yengba yaba se cookie pahan ngai letre hai re ba phasana them re ba adu soi to re ba the moment they come out from the room iraba tarabasu moina union territory cookie zones gi separate admission haira kansa does government of India government of Manipur give any rebuttal statement leite ba ai dum thema ga dum la eko now hojik se problem se cookie gi ideology se loi namak ekoi wa gre ba moi se kana karai dagi backup to ri no hai tar adi handaki THADOU gi pastor ahum si ba se khwaidigi laibak thibane aduga mari leina THADOU gi peace mission da lakhiba Assam dagi literature committee gi chairman su cookie na hat khreba because cookie don't want peace because cookie na hairi se khoi Manipur da suan harlo meite ga samna roi haibadigi THADOU sing da sawe ba same tribe same language same culture same attire bu udmai na hat na ba lebra imung mata oitar ade adu handaki su yengo the place of occurrence timing this and that every mayam sing say you cannot rule out the involvement of cookies I'm not an IO, but probability se rule out over yadre. Mogi stronghold kot Jim ga kotlin cookie gi naharon gi kem le pham marak ani du da moi yaw di haiba su ya de ba. Aduga langrong ka community dagi Bible translate to bi ba is kaino gi songbook translate to bi ba adum pioneer of Christianity in Jelerong community dagi machanu pa Jelerong kambu na hat kani hat loy haiba jisu you cannot rule out this point. Adoi taradi segi neutral ama oina phajana justice ama mi hat pa se thidok se haira kan jida Bharat Sarkar ga Manipur Sarkar na kari toge ambush to riba mi du thiba mahut tu da ambulance oina thohala ga mi oina yenghan khre ne Assam Rifle who are supposed to do counter insurgency is used to take care of this thing oza Johnson doi taradi appeasement policy yaw de haiba yabra ngasi 13 May de gi pau phangre hostess lekre haire adu ngasi phawa si sida combing operation 13 days to ra kan sida bu mi phangde haiba sibu chum ya ba fivamra so ina lakchaning ba point di miras why appeasement policy se karigino hai taradi cookie gi magic se sida ma lakke they have been backed up by 25 plus militant group who are under SOO with Government of India. Government of India ga Bharat Sarkar ga su to na bane ba. Manipur government was not a party to it. Example amaga haige handak ki UNLF ki Lamjathang da khudlai du phaba ngame ba. UNLF ga Bharat Sarkar ki talk si sida Oza Johnson army yaubra. Was army a part of the negotiation? Yaude ba. Yaude was direct Home Ministry and UNLF. Hoziki Kukila Hoba Singidi, it was first week army, MOD and they themselves. Manipur Sarkar Yaude ba. Hozi se Manipur Sarkar na THADOU.
मैं क्या लक्षणिंग बजे KNF जोंगोंगी commander tiger फागे बजे सी positive sign में ओइब्रा अदुगा एकोइना ngасai tamozo sana haiba government sida we have little hope mesida एकोइना आशा तोंनाय लेति हायपनि चिंबा then हजिक लेरिबा NIA द सुम सिनगी बगी केस हंदक किसिसु मथंगी another मसिनबो नाइरिबा गायबगी government the live sig attack sida kamai we sigi handak CBI na tiger pharmacy is it a positive sign can we see a hope there
siga mari leina na THADOU in P Manipur THADOU Student Association na su nahan just last week de su hai khreba jam thu na phau hai bane ba se Hemanjit ga Linthoi Nganbi ki case FIR ani ne ba Hemanjit gi family na report to hiba ma Linthoi Nganbi family na report to hiba ama adu di FIR ani ne ba adu Manipur Sarkar na matam du da CBI da sin nei ba NI na te ba sidi si THADOU si sida Manipur du mai as Imphal hai tare marun Imphal yamna disturbance chaotic situation ne ba matam du da July 2023 October da kan nai rang to hi ba ko so adu CBI da transfer to ra kan sida mi oi taruk phai aduga hojiki maru ina prime accused nogin baite tiger haiba se lies KNF zogam gi kedar ni haiba ma se nanthok padagi maram oiduna magi nupi magi macha moi khoi sufar aga Guwahati da CBI na puhi ba aduga mari leina na moi se hojik sigi ga case ka mari leina na charge sheet se file to khre ba charge sheet file to khre Guwahati da aduga hojiki maroina hojik phari ba duda ama se juvenile ne adudagi ma se THADOU khre aduga hojik lemhori ba manga na su manga ama su mu THADOU aga hojik se mari se mo se bail phangduna hojik bail da leye ba aduga hojiki tiger nogin baite se ma se sigi missing case ga mari leina na hai tare ma se kari fivam da leiba da ge hai da di charge sheet su ma gi mathak ta su to khre ba very clear. Ado itaraba soji se Charles Herring ki period neba. Si sida ma phaba haiba se yamna significant. It will contribute to the kaino ki case ka mari leina sigi missing case ka mari leina case ki damak tati yamna mateng pangani. Aduga sigi se justice adum soidana phangna namba ki damak ta yamna phaba step ni haiba se ena thamjaningi.
Okay, aduga now hojik ki ngasi ki akan bi ho myam gi leikre. Hayo myo tor se thadoro haida. Chamana som the cooking pina 48 hours ke another shutdown ma ngang jong law thokre. Another shutdown hom law thoki beze hai ba myo taragom doi cookie ki civilian fa gi beze thado haida. So the Naga people's ki live movement aduga hojiki cookie no mo yimi thado haiba kai kamai yeng ho sigi si ano development.
Hojik swai matang da yeng ba ya ba se nahan su Naga People's High Tar, the United Naga Council, UNC na Naga People's ki aspiration, aduga Naga People's ki mandate paye pa. Adu mogi apun bagi port ne pa. So ya yaw da bakara yawram ba yai, but generally 90% predominantly UNC na Naga People's ki mandate adum paye rega le pa. Mo issue kan na nahandu sarkar ga sarkar hai badi authority ne. Authority hai badi government ne ba ka government ka Moise adum wari sane sanama matungi na NIA da sigi hostess gi fivam si da NIA na investigate to ki gani haye ba how far NIA gi schedule gi offense gi manungi na chandabra or just normal gi kaino yaubra or terrorism gi angle yaubra haiba gidi whether NIA will take up or not adu gidi constitutional legal debate adum takragani whether it comes under the jurisdiction of NIA or not adu gidu tonga na thamdo khise hojik maru ina UNC na su NIA da sinakre haina adum thokre ba yanar bu male mogi se to godo bu hojik ki yengba yaba se let's assume that they are no longer traceable mo se trace to ba phangdre ba doi taradi how will the Nagas react Naga na kamai na react to gani ba. This is very important. Hojik film says that how will the UNC react? UNC na kamay na react to higani hai bagi se hojik ki sarkar ga cookie ga mabani gi matha saba pot amale ye ba hojik ki oina hojik UNC na economic blockade kan na chathari tori to get justice and so that sigi missing gi kaino gi mari leina na hojik morally hai taradi hojik mi tarup du pitho adu akhoi na som da su pha gi ba mi tara mari se pitho ki gi haye ba deadline su matam so dum kakaga dum leye ba sarkar na su operation chathari akhoi thi ye haye ba hojik gi after 10 days ko ngasi after 10 days numitra hindo krom matung desu hojik phawa si sida mogi to pot se hostess ani gi exchange to na ba gi wari se far cry yagodo mandre ba ado itaradi United Naga Council na karamai na sigi leriwa mitarup gi hostess ta thami pot se kamai na reply pi gani kamai na khum gani correction lo khat kani haiba gi pot ama le ba ko adu gi di hojik mayam na ngai nari sine ba on the other hand sarkar na su ngasai hai hi no Oja Johnson na su hai khre sarkar gi do just adum normal duty gumba gi type da adum mi sire NIA da sinaramo mi hatle no ngai te condemn do da loi to peace appeal to this to that's normal duty as a sarkar moina adu gi type gi dum chat khare adu normalize oina dum chat khare ba new normal gumba gi type da chat khare ba ma gi di hoji karai bhaw commitment le hibra hai bi gi di that depends on the people praja gi thajaba da matung na sarkar gi pot dum tham khase ba cookie gi pot lai se ba cookie ki pot haibadi hojik thodok sida manipur sida very clear ne yamna very clear haiba se everybody is afraid of cookie se loi ki khre ba ki derbadi dum chalo cookie gi jaga da dum mari leina da ba passer ani aduga mi oi mari ju chamjar jo dum hostess thamaga dum har khre dana kana no any nagas asom gi jang tek su dolang khono de gi chiru ma kari ta leita ba dum har khre ba ado taradi cookie ki da ba naga kana lege ba hojik eina hangjaning ba question se adumain to duna maitei su chat pa ngamdre hojik sekmai su normal people na kan ba ngamdre maitei are also afraid of this cookie gi kaino gi terrorism cookie gi extremism ki pot se ki khre ba on the other hand issue THADOU ne or chap manaba oja me bon khon na chuai THADOU su cookie phira kanda THADOU phangani THADOU thira kanda cookie phangani hayeba yai ado on the other hand muka yingse ba issue hokim oiba taraba su cookie ne hairaga aina chochampur da chatlaga kampopi da chatlaga issue lim na tharoi ba egi yum su omak 3 times attack to kare ba haibadi hojik sigi marak si sida issue kire THADOU sing su loi kire ba
THADOU su
kire ba maintain na su kire THADOU na su kire adu kaino na su loi kire ba doi taradi akoina khatnaba cookie se karino haiba se akoi thido kan sida it's an ideology idea amadu ne ba kari ideology violent terrorism oiba they are just like jihadist gumba gi type ideology amadu ga khatna khibane ba adugi adugumba kiri ba mi du ne ba hojik se akoina kiri se adug mind to du na the people of Manipur na kiri ba se cookie gi ideology se kire ba whereas on the other hand Manipur sarkar na muka hojik to hiba pod se yeng tara di cookie gi appeasement policy da muka chat le ba Manipur sarkar central sarkar se maram di akoi na khwai di ki ba se Manipur sarkar na adum in touch da adum lei nei ba adu di sarkar na hojik yok pa se cookie supremacist ngak ne ba cookie ga akoi wari sa nei cookie ga phau nei cookie ga sitowi haina government of India ga government of Manipur na claim adum to wedana adu cookie du fazana control to bio let them release the hostages let them release let them not attack any civilians haiba laiba hojik si sida so now hojik ideology ga khatna ru rabani na ideology se yamna sathi oigraba violent terrorism activities phau yograba ideology ga khatna rabani na hojik se we need to understand si cookie to riba pot se adoi taradi amuka break up to se ba cookie si da cookie in pi Manipur na shut down lau tho e cookie in pi na kamak to roba taraba su reality the ground reality to la tar de Chorachampur na cookie in pi Manipur gi wa in de ba shut down leite ba mo gi stronghold da more da shut down leite ba adumain to du na Jiribam da Chandel da Tenopal da shut down mata leite ba shut down se cycle da su leite ba shut down is effective only in this Kampopi stretch ne ba so the so called cookie in pi Manipur gi shut down se how far it is effective shut down to ba Manipur sarkar da yawi meite ga separate oira matungda Manipur sarkar ga separation oira matungda noi amuka Manipur sarkar da yawi haina boycott to giba mi do at this critical juncture sida hando e ba cookie zo council si sina Chochampur base ta gi amuka yengba ya ba se cookie gi mitrang sida akoi loi na ma se ngau khre ba asigi mitrang se kanana khwai di hebra haidi akoi same surname sage chap manaba loan su chap manaba adumain to du na hun su chap manaba laisang char su chap manaba ko phi phira loin mak chap manaba THADOU khoi hen na khang ba mi leite ba cookie gi mitrang se adoi taradi how do we collectively fight this cookie supremacist ideology adu kam khoi punna thengna ba mathau ta e ba by way of violent no mai da muka pai da cookie do hat na se hai ba sunga moi asigi ideology se khoi Manipur praja mayam sina threat oirabagi maram oduna now is the time for us to collectively push back and fight this ideology
okay
hojik adugi maram oduna hojik marias aina hajin illusion jage so cookie gi just break up to kan sida why cookie shutdown is effective only in Kampopi adoi taradi is this Kampopi specific problem adu lakhre ba Kampopi gi specific problem oi taradi karino Manipur sarkar na tori is so the ball lies in the government whom they talk the deputy chief minister adu gi stress le riba tension ani le riba senapati the deputy chief minister for Naga Kampopi the deputy chief minister for cookies si ani ga leiba mafam jaga du da smaina hostility le ba tension le riba pot se what is the Manipur government doing they can they can take initiative to diffuse this tension otherwise hojik yamna prajagi sentiment sida muka lapatara di mob gumbagi gumba culture muka lapatara di Manipur government will not be able to stop instantly.
Okay, that can be taken as a warning. Question ani khakta gitan brief oina ba kon bibio. Number 1, akoina naga gi patience ni question toris. Naga gi patience and the tolerance. Yam bloody way history mamang we have seen in 1993 the ugre now handaki case the ukul ki case particularly lower kandan dragon handaki thoi was abduction ki matang hostage ki situation sida live question the Naga has more population. Damai ke. Particularly Kangpokpi case ne harga di Kangpokpi case e lo kochara ke. Maitei leire som da Impal da. Senapati si totally Naga leire. Sida Kangpokpi si landlock oina marak sida leire rabade. Landlock oina completely. Sigi leire situation sida and again how's Cookie civilians 13 ladies Naga. And Sigi Naga patience is still hiding it. Naga are more powerful cinema. Including in terms of number, in every way. Civil society, in terms of unity, but Katai why the no Nagagi lady tolerance, Nagagi lady patience. How will you interpret it? Kamay interpret of
Naga
cookie si
Nagagi to
the dami can have the powerful way lower zero. But Kangpokpi is already lay low in Lagram. A few kilometers. That's between the Naga and Meitei. Kamay interpret of in the Naga patience.
In one way, Nagagi the common ethnic identity name neba. Tangkul Mau Maram Pomay Domain Tora Kanzida Moise Apun Bagi common ethnic identity neba. Ko Karigi Mugi cause ama yaweba. They have their own Naga nationalism. Mugi do cause to the Adum Ngauzaba pot neba. That is led by NSA and I am Naluching Aga Adum Naga nationalism gida Adum Chakraba pot neba.
Yes.
In one way, Mugi cause nationalism sida Ngauza they also believe in the idea of coexistence. Aduga they don't Moise Hazik Power the Toba Yava. But they are not non-violence means the Moigi aspiration Nagagi aspiration adum sovereignty dum talaba adum lejaba tarabasu Moidi anti-democratic violent gumba unconstitutional gumba ki type doju power that deba to pursue their dream their aspiration Naga na Meitei the heart pa leiteba Naga na kaino da hat pa leiteba. Whereas adugi maram oiduna hojik power sida Naga gi su apun bagi toriba nationalism se yamna broad oina defined to weba Naga nationalism se. They even include Kuki as a part of Naga. In Nagaland, Kuki se Naga manung amada chaleba. Simon Commission da Naga club to the soito what do the Kuki amasu yawe. So they are very much Naga. Anybody can be Naga sineba because same ethnic gumba neba. Kuki tribe union hai na Naga gi NSA and I am gi manung sida su amaleyeba. Reason amaleyeba KTU hai na. That means they are defining Naga in a very broad ethnic manner. That means Moigi nationalism to to the Ahoy Apun Bagi sida Kuki su part of Naga ni hai na KTU Kuki tribal union hai reason amasemeba. That is how the Nagas are looking and pursuing their nationalism. Ko hoy thodok thokpa upay leiteba tanja ama muknaba amadi pauhumpi na ba nomeida haibadi we have seen in 90s ko kana chumi kana lani to na thamdokhi seba. So moigi tolerance patience haibase hojik they understood the futility of violence ki maram oiduna sigi di afaba puroi haibadi clear cut policy gi moigi di thasaba leyeba hojik phaba si sida they try to refrain maximum si the refrain to ningeba ngasi deadline ka LP khage UNC na karim ta to bangam deba to deba but yamna danger oibudo it is already 10 days man hen kreba. What is government doing to do that diffuse the tension update peace deba mayam se shut down leba gi maram oiduna tangtra humdoi degi ngasi phawi si sida ngasai nang na hai khiba kaino duda kaino gi senapati ga sekmai adwai gi marak tuda leiriba mi sing se population mayam sing se maroina khwaidi masing yam jaba se THADOU neba moi se they are not able to survive anymore moi se captive the hostage kumbagi type that to kreba. Now there will be a big blow the choba lakani ba karumba sakar na se khambang amdraba. This is the most critical part neba hojik to riba pot se because Mishu extends to say high reba. Nagas are ready. Whereas a some side cookie side gidi a hoi the labor se mitra marine adupi tokre loikre hayeba. Lady stand off se. Now the stand off is cookie side gidi a hoi mi late. pithok ni ngai akhoi phade mi leitre hai clear cut ne ba moi gidi whereas naga gidi leiri mi taruk leiri pitho hai ne ba asom sai gi kuki sai ne so tra ma di leibe se kaya thau sabi dro ma le ba jik leiba vivam se sida adoi taradi last di sarkar na wa lo de akhoi tauna ra se thengai na se hai ba gi form da lak khre ba doi taradi it's more disastrous ngasai patience leye tolerance leye hai je ba gi wani adu mi hai ba se optimum level limit leye ba ko adu gi capacity do kai no gi elasticity limit su leye ba adu hek loi radi ultimately moi no mai pai gani lo gani hand det gani amuk police army da amuk mun gani adum kap na bataye ba from both the sides.
Okay, thank you very much. Yamba Lamjathang da laksage yamba kuki appeasement gi wafam zida live wahang di chief minister si community line they could interpret already. I go in for my own belief. The chief minister is a chief minister. He doesn't represent any community in a conservative meaning. But to frame this question, Yamada in Laksini was a Maite the chief minister pire, Naga Amada deputy chief minister pire, Kuki Yamada deputy chief minister pire. See framing sida Kuki appeasement say Kamaina, Ikoina, Kuki appeasement over head.
Kuki appeasement policy hai base meras fazana kupna yeng batara di hekta hygiene banate ba why THADOU says government of India is appeasing the cookies hai badi akhoi gi THADOU gi perspective da dum hai jake han so dum hai kret pori da adum nei na batara badi khoi gi manipur da chaitharol kumbaba da khongjai haiba ma yawe ba bengali nupa ma 1891 da gi clerk amadu maxwell na handok khra ma tong da khongjai du muthat la ga kuki ni hai na interpret to khre ba adu gi du legitimize to ra kan sida since 1891 da gi hoji phau ba se sida dum la kan sida kuki se manipur da pusilak pa ne ba it's imported foreign term ne ba khoi manipur ki terminology na te ba adu lakhre matung sida 1950 da manipur ga merger to hom matung sida manipur ki community list se notify to ra kan sida chingi hills people hai tare matam du ki administration hai badi hills people da dum administer adum to ko we don't have any problem we have our own first constitution adu la kan desu adum khoi THADOU ne dum lei jai ba somewhere somehow Kuki gi separatist ideology se dum la kan da moi gi distinctiveness adum assert later bi da adum assert tora kan da si gi Kuki gi suppression supremacism se adum la kan da THADOUs are the worst victim ne ba then come violent gi la kan da 90s da naga ga Kuki conflict lak pa matam se da THADOUs are the worst victim ne ba we fight Nagas in the name of Kuki gi ming da koi fight to ne we fight Paites, Zomis in the name of Kuki again in 1997. And then this time we fight Meitei in the name of Kuki again. So, Adoi Taradi, THADOUs are the worst victim neba. Adubu, Hojik Leiriba Kuki gi supremacy gi Mahada Leiriba, why the worst victim say THADOU na hire Akansida Meitei as a community. Naga as a community thau sabi de moi machine adum lon su manaba sage su manaba moi machine khat ne ha yare pare akoi machine ne finally somewhere somehow Kuki supremacists na constitutionally moi se assert to khre ba akoi chan hu der di yadre haina somewhere somehow se da moi ani Kuki tribe se hapchit la kan se da moi 2003 de gi manipur kai ba yaro ya no za johnson koi ga so dum tinara ga dum sign to ba Maitei na su dum chumam gani hai na dum khalaba handak oza johnson na so dum kham gani kai chakhr ge manipur integrity da ma to oza thang ko se oza kha dum sign to ro mi pot ne hosi kai chakhr na ma so ngam gani ba adoi taradi moi gi khadrak moi gi proxy dealing against the Meiteis and the Nagas hai ba gi the question ma lakhre ba se sida adu gi pot do for the cause of their own legitimized on na ba gi da mak ta moi na season na ba yo ane ba now coming again hoji government of India na kaino Meitei ga unara kan sida nate su gi preamble do the fazana yaw bne Manipur integrity ngakani will abide by the territorial integrity of Manipur. Bakit ngai litre? yam pahan ngai letre hai reba phasana them reba adu soi to reba the moment they come out from the room iraba taraba su moina union territory cookie zones gi separate admission hai ra kan does government of India, government of Manipur give any rebuttal statement leite ba ai adum thema ga adum la eko now hojik se problem se cookie ki ideology se loi namak ekoi wagre ba moi se kana karai dagi backup to ri no hai tar adi handaki thadou gi pastor ahum si base khwai dagi laibak thi bane aduga mari leina na thadou gi peace mission da lakhi ba Assam dagi literature committee gi chairman su cookie na hat khre ba because cookie don't want peace because cookie na hai se khoi Manipur da suan harlo meite ga samna roi hai badagi thadou sing da sawe ba same tribe same language same culture same attire bu udmai na hat na ba lebra imung ma ta oitar ade adu handa kisu yengo the place of occurrence timing this and that every mayam sing say you cannot rule out the involvement of cookies. I'm not an IO, but probability is a rule out over yadre. Mo stronghold kod jim ga kodlin cookie gi naharon gi kem le pham marak ani du da moi yaw di haiba su ya ya de ba. Aduga langlong ka community dagi Bible translate to bi ba is kaino gi songbook translate to bi ba adum pioneer of Christianity in Jelerong community dagi machanu pa Jelerong kambu na hat kani hat loi haiba jisu you cannot rule out this point. Ado itaradi seki neutral ama oina phajana justice ama mi hat pa se thidok se haira kan jida Bharat Sarkar ga Manipur Sarkar na kari toge ambush to riba mi du thiba mahut tu da ambulance oina thohala ga mi oina yenghan khrene Assam Rifle who are supposed to do counter insurgency is used to take care of this thing oza johnson do itaradi appeasement policy yaw de haiba yabra ngasi 13 May de di pau phangre hostess lekre haire adu ngasi phawa si sida combing operation 13 days to ra kan sida bu mi phangde haiba sibu chum ya ba fivamra so ina lakchaning ba point di miras why appeasement policy se karigino hai taradi cookie gi magic se sida malake they have been backed up by 25 plus militant group who are under SOO with government of India. Government of India ga Bharat Sarkar ga su to na bane ba. Manipur government was not a party to it. Example amaga haige handak ki UNLF ki Lamjathang da khudlai du phaba ngame ba UNLF ga Bharat Sarkar ki talk si sida Oza Johnson army yaubra was army a part of the negotiation yaude ba yaude it was direct home ministry and UNLF hojiki kukila hoba singidi it was first week army MOD and they themselves Manipur Sarkar yaude ba hoji se Manipur Sarkar na thodong ama toge haida kan sida yoki ba tohi ba army do na moi mateng dum pangki gani ba moi ge nexus adu dagi natro naga na so Assam Rifle cookie gi Assam Rifle sentinel of the cookies adum haibado adu dagi maintain na so Central Force and Assam Rifle haidi sentinel of the cookies adum hai greba that means narrative khatang na treba karino what is there deep inside hai which is khoi ni yengba mathau tae ba adu dagi Manipur Sarkar na matam du da former CM na Assam Rifle lothok khiban na tro dugi maram ujina battalion ani kangwai diga sigi lairo ching digi lothok khiban ne ba so adu mind to du na Indian system gi complexity se sorry executive gi system gi mechanism gi se complexity edum ei hanjin na so high kre ba sei sida miras hojik sei sida yengo it is now very clear cookie high pot se problem ne it becomes a threat for entire people of Manipur ado itaradi moina Manipur Sarkar na hoji phawba si the leniency adum thambi ba pot se karigino high ba question
da Michael for Manipur government to krazi India government to se cookie have why is still a problem for entire people of Manipur na da Michael have but whether you like it or hate it ngarang je University of Jerusalem ki convocation da aikoina de khali ni go manai cookie len hai se Manipur phone de ong len khali ni cookie len hai da ngarang di recognition di Israel da pithokre kare having what's your reaction to that
adu gi di miras kainona university university fake amana certificate issue to bagum neba to ba who is not eligible to give university certificate duna certificate pi bagum neba so adugum bagidi just AI na edit to ba oiramba yai tora kanada University of Jerusalem su lete haiba su yawi so these things moigi apamba provoke to ninga ye dum to ki gani ba ko aduga adugi karigumba adugumba university gumba leba tarabasu moigi knowledge gumba di kaya icham chamna khalamba yai so instead of react to by muhut to the if that is true akoi civil society oiro any responsible citizen amadu na adu thido o kanjida chite phajana iraga sigumbadi leite where is this is it Manipur or somewhere haiba phajana ko maturely koi handle to mathau tae adumain thamjani ge
Okay, okay, thank you very much.